So it is said that when you listen to your inner voice and act upon it, whatever decision you take are always right in life. So I also listened to my inner voice and decided to quit my corporate job. When I took that decision, I was already weighing 129 kilograms. Yes, you heard it right. I was having difficulty in walking, not just difficulty in walking, but to carry out daily activities, minute, like as if I have to get up from here and walk 200 meters, it was a task for me. I was having breathlessness, I was having insomnia, I could hardly sleep for 2 to 3 hours, maximum 5 hours. So the day I slept 5 hours, it was like a very big thing for me. I was suffering from migraine almost since my college time. You can say 15-20 years I was suffering from migraine. And lastly, the condition was such that whenever I used to get the migraine attack, I used to have a loss of vision. It was a lot of difficulty for me to even see properly during the attack. All I had to do is take medicine and go off to bed, and for almost 24 hours to 48 hours I was cut off from the world, because I cannot walk, I cannot talk, I cannot open my eyes, I cannot tolerate the sunlight, no sound. So I had to be in bed like a dead body. So that was my condition since past 2-3 years. And as I said, taking medicine was like taking a chocolate. So this was my condition when I entered Vinoba Ashram. One more thing I found out accidentally, that there was some anomalies in the liver. I had cirrhosis of liver. I was diagnosed with grade 3 fatty liver, and you know that how fatal it could be. So I did listen to my intuition and I decided to be here, and I decided to be here till the time I recover completely, and I come out with this deadly disease with flying colors. So when I came here, I decided to be here, as I said, till the time I get completely cured. So here first I was admitted for 2 months and 10 days. In that, here there are different processes of Sharir Shuddhi. So first I was put on a normal diet here, in which they give grains one time, and slowly I was taken to Rasahar over a month, and then I was put on the water fasting. So as and when I gradually approached towards water fasting, there were a lot of changes I was observing in my body. There were a lot of repercussions which were coming up, but I had decided that I'm not going to show my back, come what may. And I had faith in the doctors out here, in this management and the entire staff here, who have taken care of me just like their family member. So with the grace of Almighty and with such wonderful staff out here, I had lost around 19 kgs in my 2 months 10 days tenure. So this time I was weighing around 109-110 kilograms. So after that, I kept on coming every 2 months, 3 months, as and when I used to get the admission out here. So today I have completed more than 8 months here, and it's been a very life-changing, life-transforming journey, I should say. And however I say, my words are very less to express what I am right now. I'm feeling, ultimate level of health, though I still have to cross many miles, but there are a lot of learnings and churnings of this journey of more than a year out here at Vinoba Ashram. So migraine is my past history now. Since 4-5 months, I'm completely off any sort of headache. So it's never come even during the water fasting which I've done last month. Completely out of medication for my migraine. Then my joint pain has totally vanished. My insomnia, which was I thought I'll have to live by it throughout my life. So that also has gone. Now I can sleep 6 to 7 hours, very sound sleep, very deep sleep I get. I would request everyone, whoever is watching this video, to give it a try. It's really life-changing experience, and in 1 year I have lost around 37-38 kilograms. I was the person I was advised to undergo bariatric surgery, and being a doctor I didn't wish to go for it. I thought let me give a try, the other means, conservative means, and I tried this and it has really worked wonders for me. So even for the cirrhosis of liver, like when we hear that, you feel like your life is over. So I would request that if you are going through certain similar kind of the issues or any other issues, so before considering any drastic surgery or other steps, just give it a try, because going back to lap of Mother Nature is always welcomed, and it's more rewarding. It's like going back to your own roots. This is all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for listening to me.